Hey guys, good afternoon. Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So it's official, both cars are live on eBay. If anybody has any questions for me, I will be happy to send more pictures or videos of both cars. Also, I appreciate everybody's support lately so much on my YouTube videos. I'm asking everybody to hit the hype button if you like my videos on YouTube, and of course always give a thumbs up as well. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions lately why I don't like Echo 1 cars. I hate them. Absolutely hate them. So I don't ever typically sell hearses either. If I know that somebody wants to turn them into an Echo car, I will specifically not go through with the sale because I don't want them to be hacked up into one of those. So I don't have answers for everybody as to why I hate them. I just think they're corny and cheesy, and I think it's diminishing a very beautiful professional car to turn them into a Ghostbuster car. So I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of flack for this video, but hey, that's my opinion. I hate Echo 1 cars. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a fantastic afternoon, and I'll see you guys in the next Cadillac adventure. Take care.